Hello and welcome to this mindful moment. Today we will be practicing a mindfulness meditation called RAIN. RAIN stands for recognize, allow, investigate, and nurture. As we move through the practice, I will be guiding you through each of these steps, inviting you to notice your experience with curiosity and kindness rather than trying to change or fix anything. So go ahead and find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your hands to rest comfortably, and if it feels comfortable, you may gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Allow your breathing to settle into its own natural rhythm and feel the support beneath your body. Notice the points of contact that your body makes with the chair or the floor. Allow yourself to arrive just as you are. For these next few moments, there's nowhere else you need to be and nothing you need to accomplish. Simply breathe. As you continue to breathe, gently bring your mind to something that has been causing you stress or emotional discomfort. It doesn't have to be the biggest challenge in your life right now, just something that feels manageable to explore today. Recognize what arises as you think about it. Perhaps you notice worry, frustration, sadness, pressure, disappointment, or maybe it's simply a sense of feeling overwhelmed. There's no need to judge or analyze it, just notice. And if it feels comfortable, silently name what you're experiencing. Perhaps saying to yourself, stress is here, anxiety is here, or simply, this is what I'm feeling right now. Recognizing our experience is the first step toward meeting it with awareness. Take another slow and gentle breath in and let it out. Now see if you can make a little room for this experience. Instead of pushing it away or trying to solve it, simply allow it to be here for this moment. This doesn't mean you like it. It doesn't mean you're giving up. It simply means you're acknowledging, allowing what is already present. You might silently say, "This is here," or "For this moment, I can allow this experience." Notice if there's any resistance. Perhaps a part of you wants to fix it, ignore it, or judge yourself for feeling this way. If you notice that, simply recognize the resistance too, and gently return to allowing yourself to these feelings. And as you breathe in, create more space. And as you breathe out, soften around whatever is here. Now bring your attention into your body. Where do you feel this emotion most strongly? Perhaps it's your chest, your stomach, your shoulders, your neck, or somewhere else. And without trying to change anything, become curious. What do you notice? Is there tightness, pressure, warmth, heaviness, restlessness? See if you can stay with the sensation for a few breaths, observing them with kindness, as though you were a curious scientist simply noticing what is here. You can gently ask yourself, what does this feel like? What does this part of me need? And there's no need to search for an answer. Simply asking the question is enough. And notice whether the sensation shifts, or maybe it remains the same. Now imagine offering yourself the same kindness you would offer someone you deeply care about. If it feels comfortable, you can place a hand over your heart, your stomach, or somewhere that feels soothing. Feel the warmth of your hand. Notice the gentle support you are offering yourself. Silently repeat a few compassionate phrases. Maybe it's, may I be kind to myself. May I meet this moment with compassion. May I give myself the care I need. Or maybe it's something like, this is hard and I don't have to face it alone. And allow these words to settle in gently. You don't need to force yourself to believe them. Simply let them be an offering. Notice how it feels to respond to yourself with understanding instead of criticism. Take a few slow, easy breaths here, receiving your own kindness. Now allow your awareness to expand once again. Notice your whole body breathing. Notice the sounds around you. Notice the support beneath you. And recognize that thoughts, emotions, and sensations are always changing. They come and they go. Even when life feels difficult, you can return to this practice of meeting yourself with awareness and compassion. Take one final deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And if your eyes are closed, you may gently allow them to open. Take a moment to notice how you feel without judgment. And as you move into the rest of your day, remember the 4 steps of RAIN. Recognize, allow, investigate, and nurture. You don't need to do them perfectly. Simply returning to them one breath at a time can help you meet life's challenges with greater calm, resilience, and self-compassion. Thank you for taking this time to take care of yourself.